What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And today, I will be racing two of my little cars and truck that I bought from Five Below. But yeah, whatever wins, I don't know. Comment down below what you think will win, and if you get it right, good job. I don't have any money, so I can't give a money giveaway. But good job if you guessed the winner. So, let's race. Oopsie. Let's race them. All right. So, right now, I will be going to my mom's bathroom. So I have a finish line. You guys will be at the finish line right here. All right, this door, you're in like a separate room. Whoever wins, I don't know. But yeah, we're just racing because I think the Lambo will win. This is how they sound. The truck just sounds normal like this, but the Lamborghini sounds like this. So, I think the Lambo's gonna win. Alright. 3. Alright, let's do a little, we're starting. We're gonna, the start line's like right here. We're just gonna do a little walk up. So that was the Lamborghini, and then this is the truck. Just normal. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Lamborghini. Let's go. Alright. So the truck did lose. Technically, he lost because he hit over here. Let me show you. He hit over here, but the finish line is where my phone was. So I think Lambo won. So comment down below. Comment down below. I don't really know, but comment if you liked it or not. I will see you in the next video. Bye.